Whoa, hold up. Why does my recovery keep going down?
Oh man, this is gonna be horrible.
Hold on. Oh, I hate this map.
Same here. But
If only we did the recluse video on this map.
no way, I hate this map. I would done bad.
It is a great SMG map.
Hello, YouTube! I'm not sure if I'm late or early or whatever. So this is a match after the Recluse one. We are testing out the Blast Furnace. Because we are guardians that like using the good stuff, I suppose. I'll definitely say it's like the best pulse rifle in the game. Not one of them,
for sure.
but the best. Because it's a
Definitely.
legendary. I mean, Graviton's pretty amazing if you can use it. Oh my gosh,
yeah,
my
but-
multi-tool.
Oh, hello. Oh, you got shredded by my well.
So yeah, I was thinking of posting about 2 videos a day.
Oh, come on, dude. Stop using the sky rifle.
I suppressed
Oh,
one of them.
once.
Ooh, that was close. Oh man.
Yeah. You can't handle the blast furnace.
Ooh man. These people are not.
Yeah.
Ah! He's hard scoping.
Oh, that's a sniper.
And I just messed him.
Grab behind the wall.
I envy your strength.
And I'm going for the cap.
I should have swapped to Recluse, but I'm heavily focusing on this gun itself.
Zone
Have
B
you realized we're like
Zone
always in the
advantage
top
is yours.
2?
You're in the lead.
Yeah. Oh, we are right now.
And no, I am not using my controller mods at the moment. I will never be using a controller mod when it comes to making YouTube videos. So,
Oh. I completely forgot you had this, dude.
yeah, all it does is make my guns
Dude,
full
an
auto.
automatic
Nothing
Mida.
major.
Can you imagine?
Oh
Okay,
no,
how do you
it's
get Luna's Howl?
not that good. Automatic Mida, I tried it out. It's not as good. It's not like Destiny 1, where it shoots as fast as
Aw.
the rest of the trigger. Wow, that Titan is garbage. Had shotgun suppress me, and I'm using a pulse rifle. Guy is camping back with that Mida, man.
Strength in numbers, Guardian.
I guess teammates using
Oh,
Mida
some
too.
dudes-
Lost.
Stole my kill.
Wonderful.
Zone C lost. Your enemy has a power.
Ah,
Not
no.
being teamed. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, dude, this guy with the Mida
It's just
literally just
map
camps
you
right
with the
behind his
recluse.
teammates.
That shut them down.
I shot one of them down. Grab from the right. Nice, you killed.
Behind us.
Lost the lead.
Oh, he's got a scat rifle. Thanks to Beefus Prime for getting that kill for me. Sorry, dude, I'm a warlock with melee. You will never beat me.
Double down.
Double down.
Kamehameha!
Is that your
Oh,
Kamehamehas?
I got shot. Yeah, that's mine.
This is wonderful.
I almost took myself off the map. I
Hello,
tried to
Blake
throw
Raj.
a nade. I didn't have a nade.
Oh, they cast shield.
Feels bad playing on this map and not using nades. I mean, not using close. Ha! He just fell off the map with super and I got the kill. Wow, what did you do to him? His body went flying, dude.
Oh, I meleeed him.
Like, yikes.
Oh, I just realized he's using Kamehameha and not landfall.
Zone B captured. You have zone advantage.
Lol, he just got absolutely demolished by that grenade.
Fought like a titan of
We
the
traded.
first pillar.
Oh no, you finished him.
in the lead.
Ah, dang it, he had a storm.
Oh, but he
I didn't
uses
see that
landfall.
storm. Dang it.
There's a storm caller. I'm near you.
So yeah, what's
shit.
your thoughts about the blast furnace?
Zone B lost.
I do
Forgot
like
to
myself
ask you
the
about the
gravits
Only
on,
5 minutes left.
but oh god,
Dude, I spoke.
dude, they're all
Because
using
I play
Midas.
the method, the
Claw method.
claw method, yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Because I use the claw method, I get my life saved so much because I keep doing the crouching and shooting when I get low. And that's difficult doing with the pulse rifle.
Yeah.
But
it's
it
pretty-
saved
pretty
my
hard to
life
get
like
balls.
3 times this game. So,
Okay, I killed him while he was casting, and it didn't.
Double
oh
down.
man.
Okay,
that black
yeah,
smoke
sure.
there. I love how we were winning.
Right behind
and
us,
now we're
recluse.
just losing. We need cap zones.
Yeah, we do. They're just on all of the zones. That's the only problem.
I love the blast furnace so much. If you hit your heads, it's just so OP.
It destroys.
It does require weapon
Zone
skill
C
though,
captured.
which
You
Yeah,
have
it does.
advantage.
makes it not a meta because no one would
Fought
use
like
it
a
for that
titan of the
reason.
first pillar.
They can use something
2-1.
better. Nice.
Stop using Deathbringer, kid.
Oh crap, he has heavy. He's dead.
Yeah, he's using Deathbringer. But imagine a Titan using Black Scorpion, lol. Oh, he's got heavy. I'll take
Isn't
that.
there already a Titan using Black Scorpion?
Yeah, that's why I said that.
Double down. Zone B captured. You have advantage. 3.
Oh my god, he's
minutes.
using it on me right now and I'm
Die.
dead.
Whew. Good thing I made that jump play
Now you're
there.
fighting with
Holy
heart.
shit, how did I not die? Oof, I cuss. I try my best not to cuss.
Oh man. I'm glad I have it, dude.
Huh?
Get blast on this kid. Uh oh.
I want to
They're
help
using
you,
it too.
but I was low. So,
Bruh. They just told me to cast like a
dang Luna's
a
man.
rift. How do you get Lunas?
You get Lunas by doing competitive. I'm like 2% away from getting Lunas, but I'm just like, eh.
Oh, cool.
Zone
Because
A
I'm not
lost.
really a meta person, so if I get it, it's not like I'm going to use it.
Right.
But I should get it to do weapon review on.
You gained
He missed! Oh,
No!
he got me.
So close! I should have stayed in air. If I would have
Lost
stayed in
the
the air,
lead.
I would have lived.
Zone A captured.
Oh,
Zone
we're gonna
advantage
lose.
is yours. Zone B lost.
Rip. I lost in most of these. I'm sad.
Defeat comes for us all.
Ooh, I'm ranked up to 70. Woohoo.
Oh.
Ah, it was a close game.
No, not this time. Control
Yeah.
I should have
Zone
used close
is
range
the only
weapons.
path to
44 kills, 4.0.
Did you
I should have
really?
used my recluse. Yeah.
Bruh.
Really should have used recluse, because all I used was basically blast furnace in my super.
Yeah, you should have used your clues. It's good on this
Um,
map.
So that's the video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. My thoughts about blast furnace is it's really OP if you have weapon skill. 2 burst headshot, and it's not a high RPM, but I would say a medium RPM. The RPM is 450, so actually, yeah, it's quick. It's just not. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's quick. Claws of Wolf. Actually, never mind. Never mind, I take that back. It's medium. So what's your thoughts about it, son?
Probably, definitely, most likely, 100% the best pulse rifle in the game, without a doubt. I
Put
do
yours
like
on real quick
Graviton,
so they
but-
can see the stats you use.
Oh. Alright, there we go.
Ooh, ambitious assassin. So you have decent rolls. I guess I got lucky with
Yeah,
mine. I have
yeah.
Rampage and Outlaw. I have like God roll. And if you
Oh my
guys
God.
get Rampage on it, a good tip as well is get the Rampage spec, which you get from the Ada 1 or something. I forgot her numbers. She's a black
Ada
armory
1.
weaponsmith or whatever it is. And just trade in mods or no, buy mods from her. And you get a chance at rainbow spec. Yes. Dude, oh, can't English and
Bruh.
mess up my words. Feels good. So get Rampage spec and it will increase your Rampage for a good amount of time. And for PvE, I'll give it a gold. It's really
Give
good.
it a gold.
Overall, I'll give the gun a 9 out of 10. And yeah, what would you give the gun?
I'd give it a 10 out of 10. Yeah.
10 out of 10?
Give it a perfect 10.
Eh.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10.
So you're giving it a 10 out of 10, but yet
Yes, sir.
you only got 22 kills. I'm kidding, I'm
Well,
kidding. Don't hurt
more
me,
than
I'm
half
sorry.
of those came from the Recluse anyways. I only got like 3 with the Furnace, to be
I'm
honest.
just kidding. Please don't slit my wrist or throat when I'm asleep. Please
Bruh.
don't. Hope you guys enjoyed, and goodbye, Guardians.